The continuation video of Python. In this video, we'll discuss basic of Python. Okay. So I have opened this one. In previous video, if you seen my previous video, then I have discussed all these things regarding how to run this file, and this is the Jupyter notebook, Jupyter note file, and this is the Python file and the requirement. These all things I have discussed in a previous video. Running Jupyter node, need to install kernel like that, and these all things is done. This is one time, okay. And now we will discuss the basic things regarding Python. Okay, so we will discuss here Jupyter node. I will tell. Okay, so first of all, we will discuss regarding single line comment. In C language, single line comment is used like that in C language, and multi-line comment in C language just use this asterisk, and after that just use asterisk and forward slash. Sorry, forward slash. This is the multi-line comment in in C in C and C++. This is a multi-line comment, and this is the single line slash, a single line comment, double forward slash in C and C++, basically. Okay. Now in Python, the single line comment just has. This is the single line comment. Single line comment. Okay. Single line comments. Okay, and for multi-line comment in Python, single line comments in Python. Okay, for multi-line comment in Python, use triple single quote, triple single quote. After that, triple single quote. This is the multi-line comment. This is the multi-line comment in Python. Okay, this is regarding single line comment, and this is multi-line comment. Multi-line comments, but multi-line comment basically not working in Jupyter node. Only single line comment is working in Jupyter node. Okay, suppose we run. I think this is working because there is no error. Okay, I think this is working also here also. Okay, no problem. In Jupyter node, and here also the multi-line is this one. Suppose copy this one and here paste. This is the single line comment, and this is the multi-line comment. Okay, in Python, the single line comment and multi-line comment. Okay, so create another cell. This is a single line comment in Python, double hash, and this is the multi-line comment in Python, triple single quote opening and triple single quote closing. Multi-line comment, single line comment. And here in Python, suppose I want to create a variable a. Then in C language, just give integer data type and give the variable name. Now in this variable, we are able to assign integer type value like this. But in the case of Python, you don't define any data type. You don't declare any data type. Just according to the number or assigned value, according to the literal, whatever the value we have passed, according to that, the dynamically the type of the variable is changed. Suppose I am passing here 4, that is integer. Then I want to check what is the type of a. Then using the type operator, we can check the type of a. Here the type of a is integer because in this we have assigned integer value 4. And now in this I have assigned Chris. Okay, Now when we check the type of a, the dynamically the type of a is change, type of a variable is change. Dynamic data type are according to the value, the data type is dynamically changed in the case of Python. Okay, here we have assigned the value integer type. So here if we check using the type, okay, now the type will be integer. Here we have in case in in second line we have assigned in the same variable a, I have assigned the string data, the string value. Okay, then use type type function, then it will give a string data type of a. So no, just execute. Finally the type is string. Okay, if you want to just print type of a, and print here also, then execute. Okay, then what is the first, it gives integer type, class integer type, and second in case of second just giving str means string type. Then we understood from this example, then there is no data type declaration. Okay, whatever the value we have assigned, according to that dynamically it change its data type. Okay, now in case of here we have assigned integer, then this type a type is integer int, and in case of second I have assigned a string value, then type of a is a string. Okay, and now we will discuss another things. This is a dynamic where we can comment. One second. Okay. Dynamic data type in Python. Sorry. Okay, this is the example. Now I will discuss line continuation, continuation character, that is backslash in Python. What does it mean? Line continuation character backslash in Python. Suppose I have created a variable total, and in this total I have assigned the value 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Suppose I have write from here to here, and line is full, then I want to continue this line from next line. So use plus, and suppose there is no location to enter, like that. Suppose there is no location to enter one more character. Okay, currently this I will enter, I am able to enter 5, but suppose here there is no space to enter 5, then you can write 5 below. How? Just press backslash character and use 5 here. Okay, this backslash tells this below line is the continuation of this line, this first line. Okay, now what will be the output when we print total, then it will add all. 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15, 1, 16, 16 and 5, 21. The result will be 21, 21. Okay. So in the Python, this backslash is the line continuation character. Okay. And one more thing in our mind, that is indentation in Python. What is indentation in Python? Suppose I have a variable age. I have assigned the value 32. Okay. If age is greater than 30, then in other language what we will do, just curly brace, and whatever the condition I want to write, when the age is greater than 30, when this condition is true, then what we need to execute this all, whatever the code under this block, all the code will be executed. Whatever the statement 2, 4, 5, 3, whatever the statement come under this block, under the curly brace, all the code executed when this condition is true. But in the case of Python, there is no curly braces. There is no curly braces. Here is indentation in Python. So remove the curly brace, and if age is greater than 30, then colon, just enter. You enter, the line is not started from here, the line is just started from here automatically. If we're if you start here, then that means if this condition is true, then whatever the code executed, that come under here. And if you started here, then that means after the false, when this condition is false, then it will be executed. What does it mean? Just colon, enter. The line is started here. I want to print age. Okay. And after that, just come here and print age. What does it mean? What does it mean? Means age I have assigned 32 in age variable. So if age is greater than 30, then that means the condition is true. The condition is true, then that means this code will be executed. This will execute and print 32. Okay. After that, this is the if block. If the condition is true, then this code will be executed. Whatever the code and under this line come into this line, this block, that will be executed. When this condition is false, then this is not executed, only this one is executed. So if the condition is true, then first this is executed, after that this one is executed, because this is the out of block, this one will be executed. Okay. So when we run, 32 is printed. If this come under this line, then what happen? If the condition is true, then this both line will be printed. Both line will be printed. Okay. If the condition is false, if the condition is false, just double two. Age is greater than 30, then this will be executed. Now age is less than 30, then that means this condition is false. This condition is false, and this both line will not be executed. And here if print age, then this will be printed. Because this condition is false, then whatever the line come under this block, this will not executed, because here there is no curly braces. Okay, if the condition is true, then this line, this all this indentation, whatever the this identification match, though if this if understood that this is my block, though this will be executed if the condition is true. If the condition is false, then both the line will not be executed, only this line will be executed, that is 22, that is 22. Okay, and if the condition is suppose true, then these two line executed, and after that this will be executed, then three times printed. So 3 times 3 2 3 2 3 32 is printed. This is the indentation in Python. Okay, create one more cell. Multi statement in Python. Multi statements in Python. Suppose I have assigned the value x is equal to 2. Multi-statement. Multi-statement in single line. Multi-statement in single line in Python. So y equal to 5 and z equal to x plus y. Print z. X plus y means 5 2 plus 5, that is 7, printed. So execute this one, 7 is printed. So multi statements in single line in Python we can do. In C language also we can do. Okay, one more example will see. Suppose if condition true, this is the regarding indentation. One more example, one more example regarding indentation, because this is more important, most important. Okay, if true, then print 1, so that if one more things, print 2. Okay, if false, print 3. Print 4. Now could you please, anyone can give the answer regarding indentation. Suppose if this block is true, uh, Currently this is boolean, that is true. Okay, true, then come here, print 1 2. Okay, after that come here, and this is false, so this is not printed. Okay, after that it will come here. Okay, so the print will be 1 2 and 4. Okay, 1 2 and 4, like that we can understand the indentation. Okay, this is true, then come under this block, and this is all come under here, from here to here all are under if block. So if the true, then this will be executed, this will be executed, and this will be executed, but this is false, so this will not executed. Okay, and after that this will outside of the if block, after that this will be executed. So 1 2 and 4 will be printed. This is the indentation. This is very important because there is no curly braces, and all the developer who's come from the background C, C++, C Sharp and Java. So for those developers, this is need to be understand. This is here there is no concept of curly braces block system. This is under the this is here indentation. Okay, what is the indent of this print? That block is created regarding indentation. That's why I have given one more example to understand these things. Okay, so this is I have discussed regarding the single line command, multi-line command in Python, and this is the dynamic data type in Python. Okay, this is the example of dynamic data type. I have discussed the line continuation character in Python. I have discussed the multi-line indentation in Python like this. I have discussed the multi-statement in single line in Python. I have discussed one more example regarding indentation. So this is all regarding the basic regarding the Python. That's why slowly we will start the advanced topic of Python. So in next video, I will discuss the variable, data type, and everything we will discuss. After that, we will discuss the list, means collection and data structure, linked list, stack, queue, everything I will discuss one by one. So I'm just giving the basic introduction of the Python. In previous video, just I have given the just introduction of the Python. Okay, and in second video I have just told how to install the necessary software to run the Python, and in third video I have just discussed how to create the environment to execute the Python codes. In the fourth video just I am discussing the basic things, and now onwards we will start the core Python things. Okay, okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.